extra naughty. When I put her in some news, I notice. Pretty gal, you won't spend my money, but she can only spend the night. Already know your type. Staying money hungry, so we rap and we trap it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Azima, and today I'm basically going to revamp an old wig that was just lying around and I got bored of. Guys, look at the closure. Damn God, I'm embarrassed! This is dirty. It's dirty. I actually just need to do something with it. So I decided that I'm gonna turn it into bang. So I'm basically gonna go wash it and condition the wig and then blow dry it and be right back. And as always, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Just a quick announcement, y'all. If you want to know where I got them gorgeous lashes that I've got on, just go ahead and go check out my makeup account where we'll be launching them very, very soon. You don't want to miss out. This is harder than I thought. Right, so you know them things that you put the wig on, like the stand or whatever? I don't have one, so I'm basically just gonna put it on my head. Okay, guys, just look deep the closure. It doesn't even make sense. By the way, like I got this wig ages ago, but I think it was like I got it from AliExpress. So yeah, if I find the link, I'll put it in the description below. If I don't, sorry guys. So now what I'm basically going to do, I've watched like some videos and then I kind of got bored because I just don't have that patience. But what I saw them do is that they kind of split the front part of their closure into like a triangle. This isn't working out for me. Right, so I'm gonna cut this part, so it kind of just needs to make a triangle, if that makes sense. So that's this half done, and then the other half done. Is this enough to be a... I don't know. It's getting onto my lip gloss. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep parting until I'm satisfied. I'm gonna tuck this part in, put that aside, and then this side. It's turning hot. Do you know what's mad? If I burn myself.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Purchase your tracks today.
Right, okay guys, I'm so nervous. I'm gonna cut it quite low. Oh my god, okay, cutting it quite low. Let's see how it looks. Blood clot. That's not bad, you know. I look like a mess, but it's okay. We're gonna work with it. I'm gonna cut it just a bit more. Guys, can I just say, I didn't have one of them razor thingies, but at this point I'd recommend you using one so you don't get like a blunt cut. Just like over, just slightly over my eyes, and then right. This is not that bad. Like, I expected this to be a lot worse, but it's actually not looking bad. Do you know, one thing I regret though is like not doing them side things, so maybe I can do it still. Just like get a tad bit of hair like that, and on this side as well, like there, and just kind of, I'm just gonna go up and down like an upward motion, so it's not like a blunt cut, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's gonna be I can't believe I'm doing this. Guys, I did it. Okay. I keep burning my forehead.
Somebody gonna die.
No, this hot cream's not for me. What the hell? Just gonna oh, also one thing I kind of forgot to say before, like you're using heat, well, I don't know about other people, but for me, I always use the argan oil heat defense leave-in spray, just so like I avoid burning my wig. Heat proof matte, just so I don't burn anything, because I have a habit of doing that apparently. I'm just gonna let that heat up, and whilst I'm doing that, I'm gonna brush like my hair so like it just looks smoother and it's easier when I'm gonna straighten it. For my first try, how did I do? You guys decide, innit? Right. Now I'm gonna get my straightener. My neighbors are annoying. Also, I can't bother to like part it and do every section one by one. That's so long, so I'm just doing it like this, and like, because I'm not going out anyway, so it's not that deep. But obviously if I'm going out, I part it in like smaller sections and straighten it, just to make sure that it's bone straight. Like, I need to put my finger in ice. But basically, we're trying to bend it. Oh.
Purchase your tracks today.
Guys, I've got... Why does it look like that? I don't know if I should just... Okay. Yeah, it's a lot better. At this point, I'd put mousse in, go over with a straightener, just to make sure that I get it bone straight and it's just looking slick. But I'm kinda, you can tell this is old, but I tried to revamp it as much as I could, as hard as I could. I don't think I did that bad. You know, the center part where it was, my closure just looked disgusting. That's where it's obviously like doing like them weird gaps. Like, aside from that, I think it's alright. I did it.
Period.
Let's drink to that. Where's my drink? Anyway, guys, that's basically my tutorial. Was it a tutorial? I don't even know what it is. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but basically you've reached the end of the video, and I'm so sorry for the noise in the background. Like, if you liked it, please like, comment and subscribe, and share it with your friends. Share it to a friend or a friend, family, you know the drill. But yeah, this is me for this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.